day dreams go beyond.
The structural scaffolding engineer is responsible for the design, structural analysis, and safety assurance of scaffolding, formwork, and other temporary works used in construction projects. The role combines structural engineering expertise with practical knowledge of proprietary scaffolding and formwork systems to ensure the safe and efficient execution of site operations. Bachelor's degree in civil or structural engineering, master's degree preferred. Proven experience, minimum 5 years, in temporary works or scaffolding design within the construction industry. Strong understanding of structural mechanics, construction loads, and material behaviour. Proficiency in AutoCAD, Revit, and structural design analysis software, e.g. STAAD Pro, Peri CIE, Doka software. In-depth knowledge of scaffolding codes and standards, BSEN 12811, NASC TG20, OSHA, or equivalent. Familiarity with construction safety protocols and temporary works, design procedures. Excellent communication, coordination, and problem-solving skills.
Good package will be offered. Salary will be based on the candidate's experience and interview performance. UAE-based candidates only apply. Interested candidates, please send your CV only to anisha.jayan@alrawabit.com. Please mention the position you are applying for in the subject line.
Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications to stay updated on the latest career opportunities in the UAE.